We've introduced smart technology across key devices and put in smart staff compliance and to wash their hands. We are Mackenzie Health.
Let him hold your face. Let him reach your face. Hayaan mo siya yung humawak sa'yo. Okay, malaglagan mo si Bunso. Kawawa naman si Bunso. Hindi mo na pinapansin si Kuya. Ay, si Bunso. Ay, ano. AK. Let Bunso have daddy time.
Si Pahay ba si AK?
Oh, siya mo.
Wala.
Dirty kamay mo.